Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to create watermarks, QR codes, and barcodes on your documents, helping you enhance document security and make it easier to track and locate important files. Watermarks are a powerful tool for protecting your documents by marking them with custom identifiers, ensuring authenticity and preventing unauthorized distribution. QR codes and barcodes add an additional layer of functionality, allowing quick access to specific documents or workflows with just a scan. To get started, navigate to the File Management module. Open a text-based document and proceed to the Watermark functionality. Here, you can customize a range of settings, including the text for your watermark, the font style, angle, transparency, and color. Once you've applied these settings, you'll instantly see the watermark embedded on the document, enhancing its security and branding. Next, to add a QR code or barcode, switch to the appropriate tab. There, you can configure the specific parameters for each, such as the content of the code, e.g., URL, or other relevant data. This ensures that anyone with the document can quickly scan the QR code or barcode for easy access to linked information or systems. Once all the parameters are set, your document will be fully labeled with a watermark and enhanced with a QR code and barcode, giving you a comprehensive solution for document security and traceability. elDoc makes document management simple, secure, and efficient. Start improving your document management today by taking advantage of a free trial with elDoc.